Did you know that 80% of creators are missing out on the best AI tools that could elevate their content in 2025? In this video, you'll discover the 7 best AI tools for content creators in 2025 that every creator should know to stay ahead of the game. In case you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. It's a way of supporting my channel. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more content. Now, let's get started. Kindly note that the links to all the AI tools discussed in this video are in the description below in case you want to check them out. The first tool I want to show you is Genspark AI. Need one tool to do it all? Meet Genspark AI. Genspark isn't just another AI assistant. It's your all-in-one AI-powered agent for everything. From creating AI slides and AI docs, to organizing your thoughts in AI sheets, recording ideas with AI pods, chatting smartly with AI chat, and designing with AI image and video, Genspark handles it all.
Genspark, help me build a user survey.
Genspark, design a menu for my coffee shop.
Genspark, create a beautiful class schedule for my yoga studio.
Photos of our venue. Create an elegant wedding itinerary that matches the style.
With Genspark's rich template library, you can choose from hundreds of stunning designs, all free and crafted by professional designers. I'm applying for product manager positions. Can you build me a resume using my LinkedIn profile? You can also switch to Markdown for distraction-free writing. Genspark AI Docs. Vibe working with Genspark.
The second tool I will show you is Momen AI. Momen builds AI apps and agents without coding, using simple tools, automation, and monetization features. Perfect for startups, creators, and businesses.
Whatever daily workflow could be revolutionized not by one, but a team of AI agents, each working harmoniously under your guidance. Plan and execute all under your control. Welcome to the power of Momen AI 2.0. Picture this: scheduling made effortless. Your user simply sent a message, maybe on WhatsApp, and instantly, an AI agent finds the perfect meeting times. Synchronizing across participants' calendars. Let's expand that thought. Imagine automatically creating tickets from Slack conversations. Your AI agent digs deep into the data, synthesizing information and executing the action flow. Ensuring every issue is flagged correctly and be sent to the right hand. Transform each other into actionable workflows. And there's more. With Momen, crafting custom UIs or embedding advanced backend workflow is just the beginning. Your AI agents aren't just standalone units. They collaborate with one another to boost your overall efficiency. Like AI Viewer Assistant, build custom AI-powered apps with Momen.
Now let me show you the third tool, which is Adobe Firefly. Firefly allows you to use generative AI and simple text prompts to bring your ideas to life. With prompts in over 100 languages, you can generate images, add or remove objects, and transform text. Next on my list is Copy AI. Copy AI ends writer's block when crafting landing page copy.
We all know how much time it can take to create content. And when you're juggling between writing for your blog, social media, landing pages, ads, emails, videos, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we built Copy.ai. With Copy.ai, you can quickly generate product descriptions, website copy, social media posts, and so much more. Here's how it works. Name your project so you can save and organize what you create. Pick the tool for the content you need to generate. Describe your idea or product in the description box. Click the green Create button and wait for your results to show. Browse the results and make any edits you need. Finally, save your favorite results to your project. With over 70 tools, Copy.ai can help you make just about any content you need. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock your creativity and start saving yourself hours of work. Try out Copy.ai for 7 days, totally free.
Next, we have Murf.
Hey there. Have you heard of Murf?
Murf?
Like Murphy's Law, Murf?
Him?
No, not him. Murf's an AI studio that turns text into natural sounding voiceovers in minutes.
Really?
Natural sounding? Yeah, right.
Is that possible?
What if I told you I'm a voice created on Murf too?
No way.
Dude, you're not a real person? Impressive.
Want to try Murf for yourself?
Okay, first, upload text and pick a voice.
120 voice options. Let's try one.
Experience luxury like no other.
But what if I need a change in style?
Change it. Simple.
Experience luxury like no other.
What's smart pronunciation?
Mobile was French Louisiana's first capital.
He got it right.
Ouch. Oops. That tastes so good.
And it sounds so real.
Next, generate audio.
And download?
That was easy. So you're telling me I can turn my entire course into audio and edit it whenever I want?
Absolutely. Liking it?
Loving it. I can add videos and music right here.
Check this out. It lets us convert our recordings
into professional sounding voiceovers.
We're sorted.
Can I tell them about the best part?
Sure.
They've even got a free trial. Go check it out.
It's seriously
amazing.
Take our word for it.
Murf AI, where your words find a voice.
Otter AI is the next tool I want to show you.
Tap into the fullest value of your team meetings with Otter AI Chat. Save time by using Autopilot to automatically write your meeting notes. Then you and your team can access live AI-powered insights with Otter AI Chat. Late to the meeting? Ask in Otter AI Chat for the key points you missed so far and get answers instantly based on the live meeting notes. Your team can collaborate together with Autopilot to get clarification or details without interrupting the flow of the meeting discussion. Otter AI Chat will also generate meeting-specific content. Ask it to write a follow-up email with action items, blog posts, case studies. Could be anything. Otter AI Chat. Get started today.
Lastly, let me introduce you to Vidu Q1 reference to video. That's it. Let me know if there is any AI tool you want me to make video about. Let me know in the comment section. Please support my channel by subscribing. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more content.